What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Looky here, looky here. I have a 24-foot, 8.5-foot wide, 7.5-foot tall enclosed trailer. And I have this Agco Allis 2023 with a 3-point. It picks it up, but I had to rearrange the contents. I had to move them towards the back. All of this stuff was up here. There's 4,000 pounds at least between those two machines, that generator, toolbox, shelving. So let's see if the Agco has what it takes to move this thing so that I could do a little bit of yard maintenance with all the leaves and such under it. So let me set you up. We'll see if it'll move it. All right, y'all have to pardon the wind. Here we go. Barely gave it any gas, and she pulled it right out of there. Now, some may think, oh yeah, moving on level ground's easy, but ground's anything but level. It's kind of hard to show it on camera, but there's a slight downhill there, and of course pulling it up on the road there, but no problems. I did have to adjust the hitch when I got it over there to get up under it, but yeah, okay. Agco Allis, one tough little beast. I think this is a 2005 model. 600 hours on it. Nice machine. Like I said.